how to rotate elements on Wix. So we can actually do it on several elements. We have in here a lot of elements on hand. We have in here a picture and text, a search bar, and also a lot more. So for example, let's try to rotate a text element. Let's click on this text. And then once you have clicked on it, you can see this rotate icon. You can just rotate it however you want it. Like for example, if you want it vertical, you can just do so right there. So we also have in here an image. However, this image is attached to a strip on a column. So as you can see, there is no rotate option in there. So what we can do in that case is we can just try to input right here an overlay image in order to rotate it. So let me show you in here an actual image like this one. So if you want to rotate an image, just click on that image and then click on this rotate icon and then rotate it as you please. We also have in here a button. You can click on that and rotate that as you please as well. And you can also see the angle that you will rotate it to. So that's how you rotate elements on Wix. I hope this video helped you out.